This square pillow template has circles drawn on it. And there's a hole directly in the center. So I can use the square pillow template to also mark circles for circular pillows. I simply place a pin directly in the center of the template, bring my marking implement out to the size circle I want to draw, and circle around. And then I've created the circle cut that I needed for my pillows. Oftentimes when I'm teaching a pillow class and I show the square pillow template with the circles drawn on it, I'll have a student or two who didn't realize how easy it is to also use this as a circle template. That's my tip for you today. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope that you are having fun sewing and creating.